But hey, you give the hardest battles to the ones you call your own. I may stumble, I may fall, but I know I'm not alone. Dear God, I'm worn down, but I still say amen. And even when I fall, I know you lift me again. These nights feel heavy, my heart feels torn, but your mercy's new with every dawn. I know you're coming back, so I'll pick up my slack. Help me follow your plan, even when I don't feel strong enough to stand.